Hey, little buddy, tell our friends what we're going to draw today.
Sushi.
Sushi. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We hope you're going to follow along with us. You got a marker and some
Paper.
We're going to draw two different types of sushi. First, we're going to draw one over here on the left, and we're going to draw the eyes first, okay? We're going to draw two circles like this. And I'm going to draw them kind of next to each other. Good. Now up here in the top right, let's draw a small circle for the reflection in our sushi eyes. And then we're going to color in the big circle and leave these little ones white. Good. Okay, now right in between the eyes, let's draw a mouth. And I'm going to draw a little U, the letter U, in between the two eyes. Good. Now we can draw the rice part. And we're going to draw a bumpy line that goes all the way around our face. Now we're going to draw small little bumps like this. Watch me. And we're going to go all the way around. This is for the face.
Okay.
Well, the head, or the sushi part. The rice. Go all the way around. Now, sometimes we fast forward the video, right?
Yeah.
And what can our friends do at home if they need more time?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can always pause the video if you need more time to finish a step. We're going to keep going?
Yeah.
Now we're going to draw the fish on top of our rice. So right here, I'm going to draw a crazy line. I'm going to come down, and then I'm going to come across the eyes, and then I'm going to come back up. Almost looks like a W, kind of weird shape. So we'll come down, and then come over, and then come back up. Yeah, and then over the eyes. That's a good spot. And then you can go back up. You want to go up right to there? Yeah. Okay, now right here we have a little space on both of our drawings, right? But we can just draw a bumpy line to connect it in. Yeah, good job. Now let's draw the top of our fish. We're going to draw a curve that connects the top over to the other side. Now we're going to draw the inside of our fish. We're going to draw a wavy line. Little S line, and I'm going to draw another S line right next to it. And then draw one right next to it. Perfect. Then we're going to do one more in the middle. And then we're going to do, yeah. You know what? You could do another one right next to that one. And then draw another one right next to this one. And I'll add a third one also, just like you. All right, now we finished one of our sushi. Should we draw another one?
Yeah.
Okay, this one's going to be different. We're going to draw a cylinder. So at the top, we're going to draw a squished circle. It's going to look like a big oval. And we're going to draw a big squished circle. Watch this. It's squished. Whoa, does it look like somebody sat on it?
Yeah.
Okay, we start right here, and we're going to draw that big oval. You can do it. Yeah, and then back. Oh, you did it. Okay, now we're going to draw two lines down. I'm going to draw a curved line over here and a curved line on this side. So start right on the edge, and we're going to come all the way down to the bottom, and we'll do the same thing over here. Yeah, and then one on the other side. Okay, now at the bottom, we're going to draw a curve that connects the two lines, but it matches the top line. Oh, yeah, that looks awesome. Okay, now we need to draw the funny face. So I'm going to, we're going to draw two circles, just like we did over here. One more. And then let's draw those small circles inside, just like we did on the first eyes, and then color in the big circle. All right, now let's add some eyelashes. I'm going to add 3 little eyelashes sticking out of each eye. Yeah, and then on the other eye. Okay, now we're going to draw kissy lips.
Okay.
We're going to draw the number 3 right here, so it looks like she wants to kiss this one. Yeah, and then one more bump. Oh, big lips. All right, now inside of our sushi, let's draw another oval up here on the top. So I'm going to draw another oval just like the first one we drew. Inside. Yeah, matches the outside one. Okay, now inside, let's draw a curve. And then I'm going to draw 2 lines, one like this, and then another one like that. Almost looks like a sideways V. And that's for all the stuff that's rolled up inside of it. There you go. Awesome, we did it. We finished drawing our sushi. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
No, we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color our sushi. This part we're going to fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Good job, Austin. We did it. We finished coloring our sushi, and I love how it turned out. It's my favorite when it's all colored. You promise you had fun?
Yeah. Hope you all had fun drawing your sushi with us.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye. If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.